guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. If you haven't already done so, please click the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate that. Today we're going to be doing a review of the UTG 6-position adjustable stock for AR-15. And this is it here. And the reason I was looking for that is before I moved to Tennessee, I used to live in the communist state of New Jersey. So my New Jersey compliant AR-15 has a pinned stock, and you can't move this at all. And even if you tapped out the pins, there's no holes in the buffer tube to make it adjustable. So the only option is to just toss the whole buffer tube assembly and buy a new one. So I was looking around, they were quite expensive. And I found this stock from UTG, and it includes a aluminum buffer tube. It comes with the buffer spring, it comes with the castle nut and the back plate, and of course the 6-position stock. This was only about a 15-minute installation, and it really looks good. It's very comfortable, and this took, like I said, only a few minutes. And now when I go to the range, at least I can adjust my stock and it's not so uncomfortable like this. Now, I was a little skeptical when it came because it came in a small box like this, right? And the buffer tube and the spring were pushed inside the buttstock, and that's okay. And this is a carbine length, so it is a little bit shorter, but actually I prefer that. But I got this from UTG for around $40, and you'd be hard pressed to find quality like this. I mean, I'd put this right up against the Magpul for $40. It's very smooth. The buffer tube, again, is made out of aircraft aluminum. It's not a cheesy piece of plastic or polymer. The spring and the backstop are good quality. Castle nut is probably just as good, if not better, than the factory one. And the back plate. And you can get this for around $40. For $40, you'd be hard pressed just to find the stock, let alone the whole buffer tube assembly. So, in a matter of minutes, I went from a gun that was really uncomfortable to use to a really comfortable to use stock. I like this a lot. I really do enjoy it. So, if you're looking to upgrade your AR-15 and you want a 6-position stock and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this one from UTG is a great way to go. And I will put the link in the description. Again, if you haven't already done so, please click the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.